Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I'm going to tell you why I decided to get this cordless reciprocating saw by BLACK+DECKER. I knew that my needs as a DIYer would not usually be heavy duty, but I was still impressed by the feel and the build of this saw. It has safety features like a lock button, so my kids won't hurt themselves when I turn my back for a moment while working. I also like that it uses standard blades, so I won't be limited to just one brand. The blades swap out with no tools required, and that was really important to me too, because I want it to be easy. It had no issues cutting through wood, which, if it did, I probably would have sent it back rather than doing this video. But after switching to a metal blade, it did great cutting through this aluminum channel bar. Another use I really like the cordless aspect for is trimming branches or cutting roots with a pruning blade. Again, with the included blade, it had no issues. I think with the right blade, this cordless reciprocating saw by BLACK+DECKER will meet all of my needs, and that's my point of view.